2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 700 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, security system, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, power driver's seat. Come see the car for yourself.